Is it me you're looking for? I can see you. What's the rest of the
I can see it in
your eyes.
That's all I know.
Okay, that's all we know.
Oh,
Hello?
hey, so we decided that it is
it's
time.
dessert time.
Well, I didn't decide. She closed on a house today.
Well, yeah.
Congratulations, by
Thank
the
you
way.
very much.
And she decided
I decided there
a peanut
might be
butter
an
pie.
ice cream shortage.
Well, now,
And wine. So we had to get wine.
what kind of a mukbang is this? What kind?
It's wine and ice cream
What kind
party.
of? This is a.
Hello.
What kind of
Is
a?
it me you're looking for?
I think she needs another glass of
I
wine.
think I need some wine.
There, in your.
No. Hello. I need a brownie in my mouth.
So what's going on, girl?
You know what?
What?
This is what's going on.
Wow, I think
This
you
is
just
what's going
spit in my. I think I just got the virus.
I gave her the coronavirus. If you ask me what's up, I'll spit in your eye.
You need to
Be careful what
Wow.
you ask for. Be careful.
Oh my goodness!
So we're over here I'm over here supporting your channel, bitch. Oh,
You can't say that on my
I
channel.
can't say that. I'm over here
Well,
celebrating.
I'm supporting your buying your new house.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate
Cheers.
that. Cheers to our ice creams.
Okay, cheers.
I don't know how.
I don't know if you want to
do.
dip the wine in your ice cream,
Excuse my hair and my
Or
eyes and
pour
my
it
makeup
in
and my
your-
look.
but it actually. Oh,
All I wanted to do was eat some crazy food.
this is actually
Drink
really
some
good.
wine. You know, who would have thought that this would go together? Let's start a new. Everybody go
Wine
out and
and
get
ice
some
cream.
wine and ice cream. Because
Mukbang.
it's actually-
Wine and ice
Okay,
cream.
so call us your wine and ice cream mukbang.
Wine and ice cream. Seriously,
Wine
this
and-
is
we're
really
starting
good.
a new thing here. Brownie, ice cream, and wine.
It's really good.
Disgusting. Don't try this at home, kids. That's disgusting.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
This is a dry wine, so bitter
Who
and
bought
sweet.
this wine?
Me, but you don't mix ice cream in it.
Sweet and bitter.
No,
See?
no, it doesn't go. But
You're crazy.
the concept is cool, right? The concept
Yeah,
is cool.
until I saw your face.
But you don't mix them.
It's pretty crazy. So, ooh, did you slobber?
So I don't know if we'll be able to get through this ice cream.
Oh, I think I'm getting a little bit grossed out. I have to delete that. That's too much.
This is us just laughing for 30 minutes straight.
Oh my god.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Oh
people.
my god. I
Okay.
don't know if I could do this.
So don't take life seriously right now.
We have been here too long today.
What? It is 3:30. It's 3:30. That's all. It's 3:30.
I know, but
And we're already drinking.
I do not-
This is my first glass too, by the way. It's not like we've been drinking all day. I don't like how your spoon looks in there. Get it out. Okay, thank you very much. What are you choking on?
I'll be right back.